Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making the most famous food out of West Africa. I'm talking about jollof rice. Stay with me to the end while I show you the secret as to how I gave my jollof rice the smoky flavor. Let's get it. For this recipe, we're gonna be needing cooking oil, cut onions, bay leaf, garlic cloves, ginger, thyme, curry powder, tomato paste, bouillon seasoning, butter, salt, habanero peppers, chicken stock, long grain rice, crushed tomatoes, red bell pepper. The first step for this recipe is to make our base for the rice, which is gonna be red bell pepper, onions, ginger, garlic, Scotch bonnet peppers, and the crushed tomatoes. Cover a blend. So my pepper mix has been cooking for 30 minutes now. The liquid is completely dried. Time for the next stage. The next step will be to add your cooking oil. Add your onions. Stir that around. We'll cook the onions for about 2 minutes until it's translucent in color. Add your tomato paste, dry thyme, curry powder. Add your tomato blend. Mix that around. Add your chicken stock, bay leaf, bouillon seasoning, salt. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 5 minutes. After simmering for 5 minutes, I add my already washed rice. Add more chicken stock. Now that my jollof rice is ready, I'm gonna add my final ingredient, which is butter. In the beginning of this video, I said I will show you my secret recipe to smoky jollof rice. There it is, liquid smoke. A few drops does wonders. Make sure you get the mesquite flavor. Stir that around. I like to add butter to my jollof rice because it gives it that, shiny glow that I like. You don't need to burn your jollof rice to get the smoky firewood flavor. Just add a few drops of liquid smoke and you're good to go. So that's it for our jollof rice recipe.